Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that would help your skin. Okay, now this home remedy is actually very good. Well, it's also very simple to get, and it's going to just, do wonders on your skin. You are going to be loving it. So if you want to know what it all comprises, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Drop your comments below, like comments and comments. Okay, all right, let's dive into this video. So we're going to be making use of banana, okay, and here I have traditional banana. Is usually very short. This kind of banana usually don't get long. They are very organic, okay. And here we're going to be making use of the peel of this banana. Now the peel contains an ingredient that helps to reform the skin. It also helps to remove age-related problems such as wrinkles, fine lines, and pigments. Okay, so it works in shrinking the appearances of large and open pores, so it would therefore leave your skin looking really young. Okay, so for this remedy guys, we're just going to be making use of just the peel of the banana. Okay, so I'm actually not going to be making use of the banana itself, the peel. Alright, so after removing the peel, then we'll mash it, okay? So it can be friendly enough for us to apply on the face. So if you can't mash it, you can actually just blend it. It will even make it more smoother. And then we're going to be making use of potato. Potato is a natural anti-aging remedy, and it also contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin. It also helps to leave the skin glowing. It removes dark spots, and it works against pimples. Okay, using potato on your skin would evenly leave your skin glowing and very smooth. So the next thing, we're going to peel off the potato. Now we'll blend the potato. They say bury don't go. Right, so here it is. It's properly blended, and now we're just gonna be turning it into the banana peel bowl. and this is how it looks like. So now we have combination of banana peel and potato, and then we're going to be making use of petroleum jelly, which is also called Vaseline. Now this is #1 anti-aging remedy that helps to keep the skin nourished, and it also helps to keep the skin moisturized. Using Vaseline, which is petroleum jelly, on your skin would serve as a sunblock, okay, and it will also serve as a barrier between your skin and dirt, okay, so it's not going to allow dirt into your follicles, therefore blocking it. So this is ideal. So now we're going to be putting in the Vaseline. So we're going to be scooping in a good amount of that. And then we're going to also be making use of coconut oil, guys. Now coconut oil is a natural skin moisturizer. Using coconut oil on your skin would help you glow. It would keep you away from fine lines. It will keep your skin away from wrinkles. Your pores is going to be tighter, and it leaves the skin looking healthy. And also 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil, it will go a long way. And this is how it is. So now you have to make sure to stir and stir and stir till the ingredients get into each other, like mix very well. So the thing is that this treatment, you don't have to stir it because the banana peel is going to get darker. Already you can see it's actually beginning to get dark. Hey, so here it is. It's actually beginning to get dark. Okay, that is why you don't have to keep it for too long. You see that? Beginning to get dark. So you can't afford to keep it for too long. You have to like use it with immediate effect because of the presence of that banana peel, which is actually very, very important and very, very useful. Okay, so let me apply it onto my skin. Let it glow my skin. I've actually not even like taking my bath today, so after applying this I would have to go and take my bath. Okay, so after applying this onto your face, then you have to hold it on for a little longer, okay, for like 2 to 3 minutes. Let it just sink into your skin and do the job, because it's gonna get rid of all of the stuff. Like for me, if I'm actually going through my monthly stuff, I tend to break out. You can see that. Okay, so in 3 days time, I'll just allow the monthly stuff go off. When it goes off, then this would automatically just go off. Okay, even without applying anything. But I would have to get rid of the spots. Okay, which when I apply this, when it goes off, the spot won't even stay for like 2 days. The spot is faded. Okay, so if you're like me who experienced such, you can, if you're experiencing that, you can also just apply this and leave it on, okay, because it will make it go automatically without even applying anything. All right, so after applying it, you have to leave it on for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After that, then you can actually just go wash it off. You can wash it off with warm water, and then you use toilet soap. Then you follow suit with a toner, with a very mild toner. You can even mix apple cider vinegar, rose water, and a little bit of water, like water to dilute the apple cider, okay, and then rose water. Then you use that as a toner after using this remedy. It's actually going to help you so much. It's going to make your skin super glowing and super shiny, okay. So I'll go wash it out and I'll be right back. So that's it, guys, and that's how I just help my skin. Sometimes I tend to break out, but I obviously know those things that I'm going to use that is going to help my skin. It's going to glow my skin, and it's going to remove all of the pimples, acne and stuff, okay. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave your comments below, and also share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.